Merch on this freeway, just as any normal Honda driver may do it when you have VTEC like this. Oh, a little VTEC lag, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. We're fucking whipping this hoe. Semi truck, easy fucking gap. Easy gap. Holy fuck. Gap was quite brutal. Now this kid on the bike is going slow as fuck. And there's something, you know, fuck it. We're getting up through the Hellcord! Oh my god, this shit is so loud. Like, I don't know if it's picking up on the video, but like, I heard this car on the outside on the freeway, and it's so fucking loud when it's passing you. Like, it actually sounds like a fucking Hellcat is just whoop, flying on by. So, yeah, I bet all these NPCs are having some pretty interesting reactions that, unfortunately, I can't see. Like, have you ever thought about, like, if you drive a really loud car and, like, you floor past someone, have you ever just wondered, like, what is that person thinking? Like, when they see you floor past them and it's just really loud and they're like, oh my god, look at this degenerate flying down a public road. Even though you're just going at normal speed and it's just, your car's loud as fuck. And I just want to clarify that in most of my POV driving, I'm not really accelerating. Like in the other Hellcord POV drive, there was a bunch of comments on TikTok of people me riding saying, oh, it's so slow, the Honda's slow, blah, blah, blah. But in reality, I was barely hitting the gas, revving at like 2-3K RPMs in 5th gear. And by the way, this is a 5-speed. I'm in the last gear I have, barely hitting the gas. We're gonna have to get over. Basically what I'm saying is I don't floor everywhere in the Hellcord, especially when I'm just doing a show little POV drive. Like, there's no need for that. But okay, this Randy, oh, he's trying to gap me? Nope, I'm putting the fucking gap on him. Easy gap, easy gap. Fuck you mean, bud? Fuck, oh, that's another Hellcord right in front of me. 8th gen, sedan. Oh, it's a 4-cylinder though. I mean, hey, you could boost them shits. Be fast as fuck. I think that might still be the K24. Dude, this is like terrible traffic right here. Like, I'm trying to just like cruise a little bit, but there's nowhere to cruise besides behind this Hellcord that's going off the freeway. Just gotta give it a little rev. Like this spot right here in my last POV drive, it was just straight emptiness. It was like, it was looking pretty nice too with all these trees and shit. Some nice scenery. Oh, you're gonna come? Nope, I'm not letting this shit slide. By Ford Edge? Yep, you're fucking funny, pal. But if you did miss the last POV drive in the Hellcord, well, lucky for you, it's on screen right now. So all you gotta do is click it and go watch it.